class. Our last session we had started our lesson and we have continued our lesson with the 2C about Mr. VVS Lakshman. Very special player. This is our lesson. This is our lesson about Mr. VVS Lakshman, is not it? So in the part 2C we have continued it in our last session. What we have learned about and what we got to know about Mr. VVS Lakshman. How he had become the player, what made him to become the player, how his parents were supported, even though his parents had decided him to choose one way, why he had chosen games as a player. He wanted to prove himself. That's why, of course, he did not completely avoid academics, but he would like to do something best in games. He wanted to be a player. He wanted to play. He knew it well that definitely if he tries, he gets a chance. That's what his uncle Mr. Mohandas, he has been supported him well. He has supported him well, and always he was with him in Hyderabad. He had taken him to the coaching, and whenever he is playing Ranji matches and also small matches when he was playing, he used to visit him many places, always being supported. See, this is what definitely if there is a talent in us, some people will come forward to help us and to support us, to boost us. Don't discourage, no need to discourage for silly things. Once we have the talent in us, definitely one platform we will find it. We feel blindly that, come on, I can't do anything, I will sit and opportunity has to come and move me. No, we should not feel like that. We have to find a way to prove ourselves. Come on, I have the talent in me, let me prove myself. If we feel like that, definitely we will find a way. Like an ideal man, I don't do anything, I sit like that, means it will be like that. Life will be life, and it will show you the genuine result when it will be that. When you will show the bright results in you, when you will prove the talent which is in you, that definitely will find a platform. No, if you sit simply without doing anything, result has to come. No way. Even though the God also is helpless, right? If our work is good and genuine, definitely there will be the blessings of God with you forever. If you can't do anything, no, there will be no pain, no gain. Without pain, how you will gain? It is difficult, it is horrible, it is disgusting to share. We should have the capability in us. Then definitely the result will be yours, right? And in this lesson also, VVS Lakshman has proved himself, and he had shared many of his feelings with us. Is not it? As a player, how he had played, what he had done, how he had succeeded, everything he had told. As a player, what were the hazard and very difficult times is that when he bowls, what were the expectation of a bowler? I am going to bowl, so this should be the wicket. But to a batsman, what it will be? If he is bowling, then it should be a 4 or 6. So that's what life is like. 100% is not a cricket. It will be a cricket when you will be like a player, when you will be like a bowler, when you will be like a batsman. It will be different situations to handle. So he used to feel disappointed himself that if he'll try to catch a ball, if he'll miss, he used to feel very bad. That is the most uncomfortable feeling to Mr. VVS Lakshman, because it's a very uncomfortable feeling that to handle. So it is very hard, and in his leisure time, he had a habit to spend the time with his family. Of course, players will have a hectic schedule, busy schedule. They don't get time to spend happy, I will go for shopping, I will sleep, I will go to restaurants. No, they should practice. They need a lot of practice, and in that practice, what coach will tell, the directions according to that, he has to change and he has to play better. So a committee will decide when he was playing. They will watch your match. Everything will be considered. Don't think that it will be so easy that we can do anything. It will be somewhat difficult to handle. 100% difficult to handle. So here also VVS Lakshman has faced all the circumstances in his life, and lastly he had played. And what is the most unforgettable moment in his life? When he was playing a match with Australia in Kolkata. When he was playing a match with Australia in Kolkata, 281 he had been scored at that time. Of course, VVS Lakshman, he did not play in World Cup. he did not play, but he would like to see, would like to play, but he didn't get such an opportunity. And at the early age, I guess it so, at the early age, he declared his retirement, Mr. V.S. Lakshman, because it may be politics or it may be his performance, I don't know what, but he has not been selected to international matches. Many international matches he had not played, V.S. Lakshman. I think this may be the reason. This may be the reason. So at the early age, he had declared his retirement, V.S. Lakshman. And one more thing is that he had been very comfortable in the captaincy of Mr. Sourav Ganguly. And John Wright was a coach at the time when V.S. Lakshman had been in the team of India. At the time, John Wright was our coach. John Wright was our coach and Sourav Ganguly was the captain. Of course, he has been played under the captaincy of Mr. Dhoni and Sachin also. He had played, but he felt very comfortable to work with Mr. Sourav Ganguly because he liked his game planning. There will be a good captaincy. Captaincy means a good understanding between him and the players was very awesome. It's an awesome feeling to play with the Mr. Sourav Ganguly. His captaincy has to be a move in a right way that he liked a lot. Now, page number 41, students. Page number 41, we will know more about Mr. V.S. Lakshman now. You are a complete family man now. Outside, you are a celebrity, and at home, a normal, caring father. I am lucky to have such a wonderful, well-knit family with a wonderful wife. And it's a great feeling to see the kids grow up so fast. It's a real joy to be with them. Yeah, completely family man. Whatever, if he's a prime minister, he should not have family. Of course, cricket players also will have their families. You see them. Sometimes in pavilion, even their family also will, the children, his wife, his father, mother will watch the match. Right? Because they should not have personal life to them. Of course, as a player, he may be a celebrity outside. Of course, when he comes out, he was a celebrity. Dhoni, you see how people suffocate to see Mr. Dhoni, Kohli, Rohit Sharma. What a craze they have, right? Of course they have. But after going home, to his mother, he is not a celebrity, he is son only. To his wife, he is a husband. To her daughter, he is a father, right? Normal relations will go on. When they come out, they will be considered as the celebrities. But when they go back to home, their normal life and a routine life, and he is a father, he is a husband, he is a son. That's what he has to play the roles at home. But when they come out, it happens. And also same feeling, Mr. Lakshman also had told, I feel very happy to have such a very adjustable wife to me, and he is feeling very happy that because now V.S. Lakshman is not a player. He declared his retirement. He was a normal man. Of course, he was a player. But even as a part of his family, as a father, he was playing a role. He's playing his role. As a husband, he is playing a role. As a son, he is taking his responsibilities. So this is what not only to Mr. V.S. Lakshman, to every player it will have. They will have personal life. Real celebrities, as film actors you take, as sportsmen you take, or whatever the field you take, or when they come out, I think we feel that they are celebrities. They are celebrating to us, but not for their family. Their first priority is their family only. Who are the cricketers whom you admire? In my early days, Azhar. Well, Sachin is such a role model in every aspect. Kapil was a great inspiration. So, Azharuddin, a Hyderabadi man, right? Mr. Azharuddin, now presently he is MP. Mr. Azharuddin. So, he born in Hyderabad, he played in Hyderabad, he is educated in Hyderabad. Mr. Azharuddin, right? So, Azharuddin and Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar is a role model to many of the players, Delhi players. To everyone, Sachin is a passion, inspiration. We can take, many of the people used to take him as a role model because at an early age, such a great name. See, it is not an easy task. So, the people who want to be the players, they will consider him as a role model. Of course, he's not it. And also Kapil Dev, in the captainship of Kapil Dev only we got our first World Cup. He's not it. So, who don't like them? Everybody liked them. So, these were the cricketers who like whom Mr. VVS Lakshman like most. What is your favorite cuisine? I'm vegetarian. I love to taste all sorts of dishes. That cuisines are my favorite. So, food, favorite food. Everybody will have favorite food. So, VVS Lakshman is completely vegetarian. He likes vegetarian food, and all the types of vegetarian food he would like to eat. A vegetarian or non-vegetarian to a sportsman, it doesn't matter. See here, eating habits, that they don't decide our character or our caliber. Whatever food you eat, it should be hygiene, it should be healthy, and it should not make any side effects to be followed. Right? That may be vegetarian, that may be non-vegetarian. But VVS Lakshman, his favorite food, when he topic comes, he said that he was absolutely vegetarian. He liked all the foods of vegetarian. And what kind of music do you normally listen, and who are your favorite singers? India has been very fortunate to have seen so many great musicians and singers, and I love listening to Kishore Kumar and our own S.P. Balasubramaniam Garu, with whom I fortunately enjoy a special personal relationship. Actually, it's if everybody, music is the greatest language which can be able to understand to any person in the world. The great language which can be communicated to the other person to know our feelings and emotions easily. That is the magic with music. A very beautiful one, pleasant music. When we are in a disturbed mood to be forget anything, if we will listen to pleasant music, if we will enjoy that will be the most thing. So relaxation is very important to every player. Relaxation. See, because there will be a lot of stress in them. Before the game begin, how they have to balance the stress, everything. So he likes most of the singers, but particularly the songs of Mr. Kishore Kumar. Kishore Kumar, a wonderful player, a beautiful singer. I feel that no one can say that he is a bad singer. Everybody likes the songs of Mr. Kishore Kumar. And apart from that, Mr. S.P. Balasubramaniam Garu, it's very sorry to say that he was not with us, and his songs were not with us present days. Right? We lost him. But he is an unforgettable person and a memorable person in our life. He was alive in us in his songs. Right? So, these were the favorite singers of Mr. VVS Lakshman. And also there is a personal relationship to Mr. VVS Lakshman and Balasubramaniam Garu. Which TV program do you love to watch? Generally, I don't miss any sporting events. Wimbledon is one such that I love to watch without fail, and with the family members I do enjoy watching the singing and dancing competition programs. I'm amazed at the talent actually. So actually VVS Lakshman, he used to attend some cultural programs also, because as he was a Telugu man, Telangana man, Andhra Pradesh, he was from Andhra Pradesh and Hyderabad. Most of the players they will try to calculate themselves in other cultural activities. Even VVS Lakshman also is the same. He likes to watch Wimbledon, watching with his family, and also dancing and other programs, cultural programs. He liked to enjoy to watch with his family. Who was your childhood hero? Childhood and current hero is my dad. I love everything. I owe everything to him. See students, even to a role model and celebrity or an achiever and a greatest person, even to a god also. You see here, the first priority will be the parents only. 100% the parents. We can show any relation in a bad way, but we can't show our parents. Bad mother, bad father will not be. Their situations may say us, and if we ask anything, the economical status and their situations may not help us then to say no, but it is not like that he is a bad father. We will feel like that. They are not telling me to go out, they are not sending me out, they are not making me do this, they are not giving me this, they are not giving me that. Don't feel like that. Definitely they are the people who will be with you forever and ever. So who is your hero means the first, even to me, to you what, even to me also, the first hero is my father. Even to you also. When you grow sometime, when you are a stage come to you that, when you will be the fathers, when you will be the mothers, you will understand. And what is the role of mother, what is the role of father, how many responsibilities they will carry with them. They actually, they are the first failures. 100%, their life is a failure. Why it is a failure? They will sacrifice everything for us. Even to buy a shed, if it is a condition, father will say that I don't want to come on, let children get. Even a mother, hey, I don't want to come on, let children get. See, there only the failure will get started. Everything is a failure until you get success. If you are good, you will look after them. Otherwise, if you are balanced, their life will be continued in the same way. Nowadays, the present trend we are going to see now. So please understand the emotions of your parents. Don't neglect. It is my humble request to you all, friends. Okay. What is that you miss by being a cricketing celebrity? I never thought of myself as a big cricketer. It is always nice to be with my family. My wife has all the qualities I look for. I have two wonderful kids. I'm blessed to have such a family. Have you given thought a post-retirement plans? Well, I have a dream to set up a school and academy, and I'm confident of realizing that big dream. So actually, as a big celebrity, did you get any problem? Did you face any problem? They asked. Then he said, I'm not a big player. I'm not a big player, and I have a very good wife who can understand me well, and I have two beautiful children. I'm very happy with my family. And his dream had to start a sports school. He wanted to start a school, sports academy. That was his big dream, students. We had come to the end of Mr. V.S. Lakshman. With this, 2C is over. We have finished complete second unit. And grammar is not over. Grammar part is not over. But lesson is over. So, what you have to do is that you should write the biographical sketch of Mr. V.S. Lakshman. As you are completely 9, you know how to write. This is your homework. How you should write? See here. Write the heading biographical sketch. Name, place of birth, parents. So like this, a format will be right. All the details of us, the details of V.S. Lakshman. A format, because we have completed a lesson, right? So with these details, you should write a format of Mr. V.S. Lakshman's biographical sketch. This is your homework. See you in our next class. Thank you. Be careful. Don't neglect to do your works in the right way. Every day what work we are going to do, complete them. Don't postpone them. Don't postpone the works until the last. When the time comes, coming to I should go to school, hurry, everything. So every day's work finish on time. We are not giving the lengthiest works to your students. Thank you so much. See you in the next class. Thank you.